If you are looking for the best chainsaw mill, here is a collection you have got to see. Let's get started. Number 1, most popular. Timber Tuff TMW 56 Lumber Cutting Guide. As the name suggests, Timber Tuff has produced this tool to be more of a cutting guide than a mill. It allows you to attach your chainsaw at a vertical angle and simply use the tool as a guide. As a result, it can work with any size of the chainsaw bar. You may find it beneficial to use a ripping chain if you use this. The main benefit of this is that it is cheaper. You can buy this particular lumber cutting guide at a much lower price, and it is more compact too. Number 2. Granberg Mk3 Alaskan Chainsaw Mill. This is known to be a great, heavy-duty mill for when you need to cut large logs or large quantities of lumber. Because it is a heavy-duty chainsaw mill, its steel and aluminium parts of solid quality and will last quite a long time. A big way that this chainsaw mill helps many woodworkers is its 30-inch rails that can support any trees and longs regardless of size and shape. This mill can make lumber that is up to 13 inches wide and 27 inches long. In comparison, the MKIV is capable of making longer boards from wood. Number 3. Alaskan Granberg Chainsaw Mill. Granberg is another highly popular brand of chainsaws and related accessories. If you are looking for a small and compact option, this can be a great pick. This one comes with a great build quality due to which it can easily last for a long time. It offers a maximum length of 17 inches for cutting wood logs and planks. As for the maximum thickness, it offers a thickness rating of 13 inches that is same as much larger size options out there. This chainsaw mill is also quite lightweight. Number 4. TTF Chainsaw Mill Attachment Chainsaw Mill. TTF is a lesser-known brand of chainsaw tools and accessories out there. This TTF chainsaw mill is full-size yet portable chainsaw mill. You get a maximum cutting length of 36 inches with this chainsaw mill. And as you would expect, this length can even be adjusted between 14 inches to 36 inches as per your needs and requirements. It offers a maximum cutting thickness of up to 13 inches that is also adjustable by the user. Its high-quality steel and aluminum construction, it should last for a long time. Number 5. HiHydro Portable Chainsaw Mill. Here we have another portable chainsaw mill, this time from HiHydro. The aluminium is tough enough to be stable while you cut into your lumber, but it is also chrome so that it looks like a high-quality product. This is a product that requires little effort for assembly. No drilling is required in order to attach it to your chainsaw mill. It also comes in 2 different size options. The smaller option works with a chainsaw bar up to 36 inches long, and there is a huge 48-inch alternative if you want to work with some huge lumber. For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.